we had used the Simpson's rule to carry out the integration from 1 to 5 of x cubed dx using 8 strips. And we found it to be 156 cubic units, square units. Right? The area enclosed will be 156 square units. Now, we also did the integration directly and found that it was 156. So the Simpson's rule in this case was not just approximation, it was perfectly accurate. Now, let us use the trapezium rule to carry out the same integration. We still are using 8 strips. So we have the values here worked out in a screenshot from the previous video. H is 0.5. Now let's look at our formula sheet. Alright, so here, the trapezium rule. The integral is half h, open bracket. So it's going to be half h, well, they use a curly bracket, so we could still use a square bracket, then the round bracket, the first plus the last. The first y is 1 plus the last y, here first is 1, the last y is 125 plus open bracket, well, not open bracket yet, let's look at it, 2 times the remaining heights, the remaining y's. 2 times the remaining y's would be, so we have all of these as the remaining, that's 3.375 plus 8 plus 15.625 plus 27 plus 42.875 plus 64 plus 91.125. Alright? So, remember, this is half h. Our h is 0.5, a half. Let's call it half. So, the integral is therefore equal to half by half is a quarter, and 1 plus 125 is 126, plus 2 times all of these added together. So let's see what we get when we add them all together. I'll get my calculator. Alright, I have 3.375 plus 8 plus 15.625 plus 27 plus 42.875 plus 64 plus 91.125. So I have everything there, equal 252. So 252 is what we have here. So therefore it's a quarter times, and then we use our calculator again. So you have 2 times 252 is 504. 126 plus 504 equals 630. So it's a quarter times 630. Now, of course, it would be the same as 630 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Oh. Alright, so what do we get there? 630 over 4. 157.5. 157.5 square unit. This is 156. We got a tiny bit over. And the fact is, the Simpson's rule is more accurate than the trapezium rule, right? 156 was indeed the accurate value we got from direct integration as well as Simpson's rule. The trapezium rule gave us 157.5. In fact, something I am going to change here is an approximation. So instead of having an equal sign, I have an approximately equal to sign. Alright? So the integral is approximately equal to 157.5 square units.